Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little heart. I'm going to use this as an example. This is the very same instructions, just using 3 different hooks. So to get started, we're going to use the 5.0 millimeter hook and some red medium worsted weight yarn, a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. If you'd like to use the smaller hook, it's a 4.0 or a 6.0 for the larger size. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a magic circle. So to do so, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger, wrap it around the second finger, hold it with my thumb, lift up on this first piece, slide my hook underneath, grab that yarn, pull it through and twist it. And I'm going to chain 2. We're going to place 3 treble crochet inside our magic circle. So yarn over twice, go inside the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's a treble crochet. Do that 2 more times. Now we're going to place 3 double crochet. Yarn over 1 time, insert your hook inside the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Do that 2 more times. Now we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to place 1 more treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1. Now we're going to repeat what we did on this side. So we're going to start with 3 double crochet. Yarn over 1 time, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and we're going to finish it up with 3 treble crochet. So yarn over twice, go inside the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to cinch this closed a little bit. And to finish it off, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to slip stitch into the middle of our magic circle. So insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through the loop that is on your hook, and chain 1. Pull that tightly. And just weave in your ends and cut your yarn. And it's about 2 inches by 2 inches. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day ahead.